Dear subscribers and viewers, glad to welcome to the channel Alcofan. Friends, I acquired seeds of various hot peppers. I have the hottest pepper in the world, according to the Guinness Book of Records. This is the Caroline Reaper. Well, before growing, I also acquired one fresh pepper. I want to try to make the hottest pepper vodka from the hottest pepper. So, the sharpness of the pepper you can watch on YouTube. There are many videos where people eat peppers. It's just hell, in the literal sense of the word. So, let's prepare the pepper vodka and let's see how sharp it will be. I will just cut the pepper, let's say, in some parts. I work with gloves to avoid sharpness and not burn the hands. Well, the aroma? It has a strong aroma. Ooh, chili! Firstly, I will prepare a concentrate for pepper vodka and pour in a 150 ml jar 70 ABV alcohol. I think 5 to 6 days for the infusion is enough. And then we will define the proportion of this concentrate to pour in the distillate or in vodka. Friends, many of you are looking for recipes how make a homemade alcoholic beverage. For example, vodka, liqueur, tincture, moonshine, that is, distillate and similars. And I'm sure you have never encountered, so that if you find a recipe which you need, it is either long or a lot of water, is not clear, and you're watching and think what this blogger is talking about. And I want to recommend a channel to you, Siberian Custom. The author of this channel makes clear and concise recipes without many words. You open, watching and understand what to do. As always, link in description. I recommend subscribing. I'm assigned and watch it myself. I think you can't wait anymore what will happen to me after the tasting this tincture of the hottest pepper in the world. I prepare a little snack, sausages, lard and herbs. So, about the tincture. Dark and fresh place. Then I let it infuse 5 days and tasting sometimes. And I gonna say for this pepper 7 days it's pretty enough. He infused for 10 days. After 7 days the change is almost minimal. The color of the tincture is wonderful. So red. Nice color. So how are we going to taste? I have a homemade moonshine, a corn moonshine. I mean the rectified, which has been diluted to 40% ABV alcohol using charcoal method, and add some glucose. Put 200 milliliters, 20 milliliters. I have a syringe. First, friends, let's try the proportion 1 to 200. Oh, sorry, I mean 20 milliliters of moonshine and 1 milliliter of this tincture. Of course, I'm not my enemy. We will gradually increase the dose, because I already tried and I have some notion and we can't joke here. And now in vain. I will mix and taste now. In general, of course, we need let to rest the proportion somewhere 3, 4, 5 days, but we will make a test. Just to know the limit, how much we can drink with mixing method. And immediately aroma of spicy chili pepper. And here, how ticklish. the comments on VContact when I posted a photo of this pepper and I said that I would make the tincture. Someone told that I will go to the hospital, so we will see. He burns. It burns strongly, confidently. I will say that with this proportion, 1 to 20, this pepper vodka is the hottest I ever done. Oh, and pass it quickly. Nice. Excellent. In the shop, you will not find with this degree of spiciness. Pass it 10 minutes. The patient is ready. Let's proceed. Again, 20 milliliters of moonshine and now 2 milliliters of pepper concentrate. You know, I'm afraid now. In the proportion 1 to 10, we can see how color change. Maybe light yellow color. Let's go. Yes, it's really twice as too much. Even breathing hurts. I will go drink something cold. By the way, I didn't drink anything consistent. Past it 2 minutes, I still feel how it burns inside. But there is such a peak and then it slowly leaves you and you get used to it. So now we make 3 cubes. I think this will be the last test because you really need to know when to stop. So we have 3 cubes and 20 milliliters of moonshine. Nice. Now we mix. Let it infuse for about 5 minutes and see what happens to me next. So, 3 milliliters. A very defined aroma of chili pepper. Smells chili with some bell pepper, something like this. Nice. So nice. You know, I'm already used. I'm full. After the 3rd drink, I entered in this pissiness. I even like it already. I say next, if you give a simple person such a concentrate, 20 milliliters of this tincture, he goes crazy of this pepper vodka. So, friends, put likes, I'm going to the 4 milliliters. Even more, 4.5. The gap was 10 minutes after the last test. I think why I took the onion, I don't need him. Snack pepper, vodka and onions, not very reasonable. The aroma. Inhale and understand that something interesting awaits. So, let's go. 4.5 milliliters. Oh my, and here we have and lips burns, even hair burn. Whoa! I love exactly that there is a peak of spiciness and then you want more. And yes, you start to enjoy how it burns. Yeah, nice. I think if you drink it in the purest form, at least 10 milliliters, you will definitely be, damn, I don't know, maximum in hospital and minimum a kilogram of ice cream eaten. So, let's count. If you just want a very, very hot pepper vodka with snacks, barbecue and drink it, wonderful. Then it's gonna be enough for you 1 milliliter per 20 milliliters. Roughly speaking, these 150 milliliters are enough for 3 liters of distillate vodka, moonshine or what you have next to you. If you want really so much surprise your friends, family or neighborhood, then do 1 to 3 and you will be sure that them gonna be love it. Friends, don't forget subscribe the channel Siberian Customs. Competent, clear, concise recipes I recommend. Friends, this is the best pepper vodka in my life, by a fact. I'm all wet, damn, really, all sweat. I see you next. The final effect, after tasting 4 times, it's like I drink a glass of strong coffee, about 200 milliliters, and over that 150 milliliters of cognac. Are that the effect? I'm full of energy, definitely. I will grow this pepper. Friends, I'm glad to tell you, the shop alcofanshop.com, under my control, I made a set of spices, herbs and similars for preparing drinks in your conditions. I mean, you have a pack of certain herbs and spices to preparing sambuki, beshorovka, aquavita, natural cracker and similars by my recipes, which I checked and you have on YouTube. Just say which I completely, totally trust. Below under the video will be in the description. I wish you good peppers vodka, I recommend, but be very careful, because I feel like someone is shaking me, just sweating, and I understand what I need to go to the shower, put myself in order and operational. Like, subscribe and see you soon!